Here we are, guys, in beautiful Banff National Park. As you can see, we are on a mountain road here. So in this video, we are going to take the WRX around these mountain roads with my GoPro, my camera inside the car, and also my Insta360. And later in the video, I'm going to take you guys to my campsite, to Jack Lakeside, which is in Banff as well. It's a beautiful campsite, so stick around if you want to see some camping content as well. Anyways, let's get into it. You know, it's gonna be a fun road when you see that kind of sign. Look at this view. The mountains around a hairpin. You can't beat it, honestly. Oh my God, my ears are popping. That's how much elevation gain we're getting. Look at the view of Banff down below. That's awesome. The Brembos are really good, guys. I think this is where they shine when there's repeated hard braking sections. The Brembos don't feel like they're fading at all. The bite is still really strong. This car just pivots and turns on a dime. It's awesome. A little bit of a blind corner here. Whoa, big bump. Man, the WRX is so good in the mountains. Having too much fun. So much grip. So I'm running DWS 06 Pluses, a performance all season tire. And they are fantastic. A lot of dry grip. Still stock suspension for those of you who are curious. Look at the scenery, guys. So what you see to the right is Lake Minnewanka. It is a beautiful lake. It is bigger than Two Jack Lake, as far as I remember. You can take boats out there. They have boat tours. You can go fishing. It's a really popular tourist spot. It's probably not as blue as Lake Louise, but it's not too far off. Okay, we are approaching some traffic here, so I don't want to press these guys or make myself a nuisance. So let's just go nice and slow and enjoy Lake Minnewanka. Here you guys can see a better view of it to the right. And crazy to think that these mountains are only an hour and a half drive from me. I do feel very lucky to be living where I am. I know a lot of people stop here and take photos, but there is a decent amount of traffic going through here right now, so don't want to be selfish and hog up the views, but it would be beautiful thumbnail content for you guys. That wraps up the driving segment of the video. Do hit that like button if you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. That's the first time I've taken the WRX to the mountains. Oh, it's quite intoxicating. I think I'm gonna have to go here every other weekend. It's so much fun. There's so much grip. It performed so well. You don't need a lot of horsepower to do this type of driving, and this is where the WRX really shines. Now I'm headed to the campsite. It's right on the lake. It is stunning. So this is all that we were able to fit in the back seats, folded down in the WRX. So it's quite a lot of gear. We have our camp kitchen stuff here. So our burner, our skillet. We have a bunch of food in this cooler bag. And then this is our hammock, our pillows, assortment of things, fire starter, so on and so forth. Sleeping bag, blankets, our clothes, 2 comfy chairs, a paddleboard, and yeah, that's what we were able to bring. So this is where we're actually staying. This is called an authentic. It's a cabin tent hybrid thing set up by Parks Canada. I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. You've stayed here before a couple times. Not this specific site, but a whole bunch of them on the other side of the campsite. But it comes with a table, room for 6 to sleep, so 4 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and then sort of a bench storage area here. There is a heater at night, and since it's June, early June, if you're tenting at night, it does get cold. So it's nice that we do have a heater. You have a traditional house outlet, and you do have lights and a fire detector, of course. So yeah, it's nice. It blocks out the wind, it'll keep us warm at night, and it's cozy. But the best part of this campsite is the view. So just a short walk away, we have Two Jack Lake here, a beautiful lake, one of many here in Banff. Right now it's a little cloudy, so the water is more greenish brown than blue. And since we took the paddleboard, we'll go out together, my girlfriend and I, later in the video. Yeah guys, that's pretty much the tour of our campsite. We're just gonna unpack everything now and just chill out. Got steaks for dinner and burger patty. Damn, this thing is heavy. Boom. Bon appetit. Welcome to S'mores with Sep. I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how I personally prepare my s'mores. As you can see, here are our ingredients. We have the mallows, of course, raspberries, that is an innovative twist that I like to add, graham crackers, chocolate, cookies and cream. You can do whatever chocolate you want. Cookies and cream is my personal favorite, but you can do the regular milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you want. Now, as you can see, we've already started. And this is the cooking trick and technique that I do. I use the heating pads from the fire pit to preheat the graham crackers. You can see the chocolate is somewhat melting now. So when you bite into a s'more, that chocolate just kind of adds to the gooiness of the marshmallow. Because personally, I hate it when you bite into a s'more and the chocolate is still cold. You know, it just screws up the whole vibe. That's why it's good to preheat it like this. And now it's time to cook the mallows. I will do 2 at a time because I'm experienced. If you're not experienced, I recommend just trying 1 at a time. Now, you do want to be delicate when you cook this. You want to be like a rotisserie chicken cooker, but even more delicate than that. You want to get it a golden brownish color. See that gold? Oh shit. That was a mistake. That was because of the wind. That wasn't my fault. You can see the one marshmallow though. You see that gold? Okay, now it's time to put the raspberries on the chocolate. You see that chocolate's half melted? And now it's just time to smush. Smushing time. See? Calculated. See that? See that sandwich made in heaven? Yep. Bomb.com. Okay, fellas, that pretty much wraps up day 1 of camping. We're only here for 1 night, so we're just gonna chill out, let the fire die out, and then go to bed. Hopefully a bear doesn't break into our tent and eat us alive. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, friends. I woke up around 15 minutes ago and I probably had one of the best sleeps of my life. This tent kept heat in very well, but also let in enough cold air so I wasn't overheating whatsoever. I can imagine if I was tenting, it would still be fairly cold outside. Anyways, as I got up though, I looked outside and the view from the window looks amazing. So I'm going to take you guys out to the water and you can see the beautiful color of Two Jack Lake.
Here is the menu for this morning. Got some sourdough from Cobb's Bread, some fruit, heirloom tomatoes, and scrambled eggs. Wow. All right, guys, well, we've cleaned out the Authentic. So that means it is time to go. We just need to load all our gear into the WRX and then going back to town. I really enjoyed my time here, guys. This campsite is beautiful. Jack Lake is stunning. I'm going to miss that view. I've got to come back here again sometime later in the summer. Also, can't forget to mention the fun on the mountain roads. The WRX was definitely in its element up there. I gotta go back just for that, honestly. But anyways, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.